What's up, guys? It's your... I'm not used to having hair in my mouth. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lady K, back at it again with another video. Okay, I'm actually doing a makeup video. So I originally started my channel supposed to be doing like makeup videos, but that was a fail. I don't do makeup videos actually. I just do videos, like I do vlogs and all that stuff. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, rate, and don't forget to tell a friend to also subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Am I the only female who every time I do my makeup, my eyes get all like sensitive? Oh. I'm literally using the same brush, guys, so don't ask me why. I just don't feel like using another one. So yeah. Y'all, blending is a hard task, okay? Like, you using all your muscles, like you're using your arm muscle, okay? So if you blending and you not feeling nothing in your arms, then you not blending correctly. Like, you're not. Okay, I normally do my eyebrows first, but I guess I just want to do something different today. I used something different than what I used in my other, like my eyebrow tutorial. I used the e.l.f. Lock on liner and brow cream. So I'm guessing you can use this as a liner, but I wouldn't use it because it's brown. So I mean, but more power to you if you're gonna use a brown liner. Like, that's cute. It's real cute. I'm gonna do some type of eyeshadow look. I was about to say eyebrow again. I'm gonna do some type of eyeshadow look today. Don't know what kind of look I'm about to come up with, but your girl is just, you know, just feeling color. So what color am I gonna pull out today? By the way, I am using Ruby Lips eyeshadow palette. Look at these colors. So I'm gonna use this palette from Ulta. This was like my first palette ever. My head is killing me. I might end up throwing this wig off, honey. Here, it's like a rosy color. Okay. Mind you, I don't normally do like colors on me, just because I don't know. I just don't do them because I feel like I can't. And I feel like they don't end up looking like the pro anyways. And I'm gonna warn you guys, my stomach might be growling, but I promise you, I ate today, but that was earlier. That was like 11 in the morning. It's probably now 5 something. Mind you, I haven't looked at any pictures today, so I'm just really going off based on how I feel. But this is the color that I'm going to use, and it's like a really bright yellow. Wow, just kidding. Not using yellow yet. I'm going to be using this orange color right under the yellow. Okay, I'm going to do the same and blend it in. I am kind of not liking this, but then I'm liking it, so yeah. Okay, girl, I see, you know, what look you're doing. Cool. Now we're gonna go in with the yellow. We're gonna place it right there in the middle. Oh, like Starburst. Starburst. Tastes so juicy. I'm actually kind of liking it. Okay. And I think on the bottom, I'm about to go real bold. I'm gonna do purple. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do this purple right here on the bottom. Hopefully it shows up. I hate doing my bottom because then it's like my eyes are gonna be really more like really sensitive. It's like as soon as I touch this eye, it starts watering. Like it doesn't want me to be great. This side of my face don't want me to be great. Y'all give me a break, okay? Because I haven't done makeup in I don't know how long, okay? So if I'm doing something and I'm like acting like I don't know, it's because I don't, and it's because it has been I don't know how long since I've done makeup, so I don't need y'all judging me, okay? Okay, I don't need you judging me like you judging me now.
I didn't want you or anybody else judging me like you're judging me now.
If you can name where I got that line from, we can be friends. Now we're gonna put on lashes. These lashes, I don't know where they're from. I think they're from, I don't know. Who uses hair glue for their eyelashes? Because I need to know if I'm the only one. Hold on, hold on. Because, hold on. Now we're going to do highlight, okay? I use whatever this is, however, Sonia Kashuk, and it's all broken, don't ask. And then I'm also going to put on Fenty Beauty as well. Okay, but can we get into my glow? Can we? Can we get into it? Can we get into it? And now Fenty. I'm gonna just tell you Rihanna, Robin, okay, because we're cool. Like, that's my best friend, so I can call her by her name. This little container here was not meant for girls to have acrylic nails to open this, because listen, I messed it up. That's really bright. I messed it up the first day because I was trying to open it, and me trying to be careful. Yeah, didn't work out how I planned, but you know, okay, it's all good. I forgive you. I know you wanted us to work hard to get that glow. Feel me? This, guys, is the finished look. I gotta put on my gloss. Don't give a fuck, I gotta celebrate. I'm on my selfish shit. You can't mess with this, cause I'm a bad bitch, bad bitch.